In today's video, I'll quickly walk you through on how to transfer photos and videos from an Android phone to a laptop. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. Alright, first thing first, with the cable you use in charging of your Android smartphone, alright, connect one end to the USB port of your laptop and the other end to the charging port of the Android smartphone. Okay, you will have a setup that looks like this, all right? So once the connection is made, unlock the Android smartphone, okay? Okay, once you unlock the Android smartphone, you will be on the home screen of the smartphone, all right? Okay. So once the connection is established, you may need to drag up from the top right, okay, top left of that's your Android screen. All right. So you will see Android system or any other term. All right, depending on your Android phone type. Okay. Why we are doing this is so that we can grant the laptop access to this phone. So tap on the Android system. Okay, you can see some options here. We have charging this device via USB, and we have using debugging connected. All right, so tap on this drop down on this second option, then tap on the option. So you can see here no data transfer is selected, so select the option of file transfer. So tap on that file transfer. So this is to grant the laptop full access, all right, to access the file on your Android device. So once we are done with this, let's now get to our laptop screen and then complete the transfer of the pictures and videos. Okay, I am on my laptop right away. So now let's go and transfer things from the Android, okay? First is that you need to click on this File Explorer, all right? It's always pinned at this taskbar of every laptop, all right? Windows laptop. But if you can't find yours here, click on this Start button. And then once you click here in this search area, type File Explorer, okay? You can see that File Explorer, it will show up, click on it for it to open. It's gateway to all the files you have on your PC and some storages that are connected to that particular laptop. All right. So click on the option this PC. You will see it by this left margin. So click on it. Now this displays two storages here. We have Infinix Smart 8, which is my Android phone in this case, and we have this Windows C. This is the storage space of this laptop. But our interest is on the Android smartphone. So double click on this. This may take you straight to the files, all right, in your Android, or it may give you this option, just as we have here. It gives me this option, okay? So I'll double click on it and again. Then this displays some folders that are available on my Android. So it's now left for you to locate the folder that contains the pictures you want to transfer to your laptop. So let me click on this folder to see if there are pictures here. All right, okay, let me click on this one. Double click there. So this one is empty. So I can go back, okay, and okay, I move back twice. Okay, let's go with this. So we are likely to have both pictures and videos here. So I'll double click on this. All right, this is camera. I'll double click on it. So you can see now this has some pictures as well as videos. For example, this is video. So if for example is video I want to transfer here, I'll click this for it to be selected. Then I'll click on copy. All right. So once you copy that, you will see these margins, these options here. These are the storages, the folders in your PC. Okay. So let's say in your laptop. So let's say that this video I want to transfer it into the videos folder of my laptop. All right. I'll click on this. Then this is paste button. Click on paste. All right. This video has now been placed here. So let's go and then transfer pictures. So I'll click on this PC again, double click on this. All right. So once I'm taken to this place, I'll double click on this Infinix Smart 8, all right, which is my phone here. Double click again. and I can go to that same folder I went before, then get to camera, and then I'll pick a picture. Okay, let's say this is the picture I want to transfer. I'll click on it for it to be selected, and I'll click on copy. But if you want to, copy more than one picture at once you click on one of them, or even videos at once, pictures and videos at once you click on the first picture or one of the pictures once, it will be selected. Then press and hold on the control key of your computer keyboard. Then start clicking on other files you want to copy at once. All right, start clicking on them. So once you're okay, let's say that these are the three I want to copy in this case, then I'll click on this copy icon. This is the copy icon, you see it on your laptop. Okay, so or you can right click on any of them, you will see copy, just copy. Then get to any folder of your choice. Say, let me use pictures folder of my laptop. Then I'll click on it and then click on paste. All right. If you can't find this paste here, you can still right click. When you right click, you will see the paste option. Click on it. The items you copied, all right, the things you copied will be pasted here. So this is how you can do that. File transfer from an Android smartphone to a laptop. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. And leave a comment if you have some questions. Please drop that in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.